Meaning of fowling.
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 Fowling. The word fowling refers to the act of hunting or shooting birds, particularly game birds like pheasants, ducks, and geese. Fowling has been practiced for thousands of years for both food and sport. In modern times, fowling can be done with shotguns, bows and arrows, or even falconry. The practice can have both positive and negative effects on bird populations and ecosystems. While fowling can provide a source of food and income for some people, overhunting can lead to declines in bird populations and disrupt natural ecosystems.